use HiFloat, let me tell you about it. HiFloat is a thick glue-like substance used to treat balloons. That is, it helps balloons stay inflated longer than what they normally last. But because it is thick, it is also heavy. So if you want to make confetti balloons with helium and HiFloat, you have to consider the following: the weight of the balloon, the weight of the confetti, and the weight of the HiFloat. We have found that a balloon can only carry around 6 to 7 grams of weight inflated with helium. So if the balloon weighs 3 grams, then we only have 3 or 4 more grams to put inside. If you have not seen our video on how to separate our Jimmy Jim's Balloon Thins confetti bag, please look for it and watch it. So now that we have our confetti separated in more or less the same amount, we can start to work on our balloon. First, we're going to put the HiFloat into the balloon. We're only going to put 1/4 of the recommended amount so as to reduce the weight of the HiFloat. Your balloon will not last as long, but it will still be able to float and last at least more than 1 day inflated. Make sure to put the tip of the pump all the way inside the balloon and pump. Make sure not to leave any residue on the mouth of the balloon, because that will make a mess when you put the confetti inside. Now massage the balloon so as you get all the HiFloat all over the balloon. Give it a little blow. Attach the funnel. And pour the confetti. Make sure not to grab the balloon or squeeze it, because that will make the confetti stick to each other because of the HiFloat. So now we're ready to fill it with helium. Now just remove the balloon from the tip of funnel, rolling it down slowly. Insert the mouth of balloon into the tank bulb and push down. Tie it. There you have it. Now you have yourself a pretty balloon with confetti. Oops. Enjoy.